think one of the most exciting things and one of the things that I'm most proud of the Logix platform is the variety of different applications that it can serve. Early in my career, I was very specific to pharmaceuticals, to the life sciences industry, and even food and beverage industry. So that was where I started out using Logix controllers. And then I've really grown to see all the different applications that it's used, from oil and gas to automotive to entertainment industry. And one of the things that's really cool is that our controllers are used in many different applications that not only help make plants more productive and more efficient, but also help make the world a better place, right? So using Logix controllers to make clean drinking water, or to make baby formula, or things like that really makes me proud of the work that we do and the capabilities that we have in our controllers. When I talk to customers, one of the recurring themes from customers is they are challenged to be more competitive, more efficient, and more productive in their operations. And one of their big pain points is, in many times, to gain that productivity, they have to replace their entire control system. But one of the benefits of Logix is you can replace your controller and while having the same infrastructure in place that you had many, many years ago, and gain that productivity and that efficiency to allow plants to be more efficient. Some of the things that we're looking at over the next 5 years are to really build out the functionality in the Logix platform to enable us to fit more applications than what we even do today. One of the great things about the Logix platform is that with a single controller platform, you can do motion, you can do discrete, you can do safety, you can do process. And we really want to make those systems a lot more productive. We want to make our customers more productive and be able to support a wider range of applications within process specifically, and within even process safety applications moving forward. I'm Julie Robinson. I'm a business manager here at Rockwell Automation, and I support the design software.